Hello everyone! In this video, we'll learn how to create a car dealership website for a client using MockFlow Wireframe Pro's Genius AI, all in under 2 minutes. To get started, log into your MockFlow account, go to your dashboard, hover over New Wireframe, and select Generate with AI. Enter your prompt. In this example, we'll specify a car dealership website for a client. You can also choose preferences like image-based or sketchy style, depending on your needs. Then, simply click Generate. Within seconds, Genius AI will produce a complete, editable wireframe for the car dealership website. From here, you can easily customize the AI-generated wireframes to match your client's requirements, making the wireframing process faster and simpler than ever. As you can see, the car dealership website has been effortlessly designed using MockFlow's Genius AI. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI wireframing tips and tutorials.